All right, everybody. All right, so we had a little problem in the other class where we were trying to run this code. So now I think I've restored my internet now. So let's run this code now and let's see what the outcome would be. Well, let's see what the output would be before we proceed. So let's see. So this code should give us your Ademola as the output. You can see now. Why? Because I said earlier in the other video that for AND, right, AND is always true when a condition with AND is always true when both conditions are true. And looking at it now, age is greater than or equal to 18. In this variable here, age is equal to 19, meaning that this is true, and name equal to Ade, meaning that this is true. But if I turn this to Ade with an exclamation mark, this is not true anymore, meaning that I'm not expecting this code to be run, right? I'm expecting the else to be run, means that this is false, right? So that means it has to be exactly the same thing, in form of string before. So if I, let's say, make this as small letter Ade like this, also this is also false, because that is case sensitive, meaning that Ade with the small letter A and Ade with the capital letter A are actually not the same thing, right? But for so basically we have the AND, right? We have comments AND, which is done like this, but then we also have the OR like this. OR is written with these two lines like this, right? In languages like C languages, we call it bitwise in C language, but of course in that we call it the OR. And the way we actualize is that just using 2/a. So if age is greater or equal to 18, or name is equal to Ade, print your Ademola, else this is not my name. Let me explain AND. Now something about AND is that, if I ask you now as an example, now, do you want to eat rice or beans? Now what it means intuitively is that do you want to eat either rice or beans, or you want to take both, right? But I know that one of them has to be correct, right? So for or only need one of the condition to be true. Once one of them is true, automatically it comes true. Meaning that, let me just turn my name to, just to explain it, let me turn my name here to Ademola, meaning that this is false because my name, as I have declared it here, is Ade. I'm now having Ademola, means that this is false. But then age is greater than 18, I have age is equal to 19 here, meaning that this is true. So I have a true or false. So I say once you have a true, automatically it becomes a true, right? But once you have two falses, right, then the condition will not be wrong, because two false will be false. You can see now, I have Ademola, then I have age is greater than 18. I have a true, I have the other one as false, then your Ademola is being wrong. Means that it only requires one true for it to become a true. I don't know if you understand for this one. So that's just for this. You can have as much condition as you want, just to make sure you understand the concept of if, else, and elif. And once you understand this one, you meet me in the next class where we talk about ternary conditions. So thank you, class.